guys, again welcome back. So today in this video we are going to see regarding today's IELTS test review, that is evening slots review. I already updated the review regarding the morning slot, so if you didn't check that means you can check it out. I will provide the link in the description box. Anyway, I got good reviews from students, but regarding the reading module it was little bit hard. Anyway, we will check out in detail. So let's start with our video. So first we'll see regarding the listening module. So in listening module, in part 1 they got fill up type question and it was easy, and in part 2 they got MCQs and it was in moderate level, and in part 3 they got large MCQs and it was also in moderate level, and in part 4 they got again fill up type question and it was quite easy. So the audio was not too fast, but in the part 4 it was little bit fast. So overall the listening section was in easy to moderate. Okay, so I didn't get all the answers, that's why I didn't add that. So if I get it means I will update as soon as possible, or else you can have a discussion section in our comment box as usual. Okay, so then you will get some ideas. Then if you are sharing your answers means others can also do like that. Okay, so that's all. So now we'll see regarding the reading module. Okay, so in passage one, the question, that means the passage was related to barrels, and the passage one was quite easy. And in passage two, it was related to dwindling, and it was quite moderate only. And passage three was related to threshold, and it was also in moderate level. Okay, so overall, the reading section was quite moderate. It was tricky only, so most of the students told that they find it so hard to solve the questions and all and to find out the answers. So overall it was little bit tricky. So regarding the answers, I will update that as soon as possible if I get it means. Then regarding the writing section, before that our prediction was 100% right. If you check that means you can find it out. Anyway, in task 1 it was map. Okay, it was also in moderate level. Some of the students find it little bit tricky to find or to understand it. Okay, anyway, it was okay. Now we'll see regarding the task two. So the task two was a problem solution essay, and it is difficult for people in the cities getting enough physical exercise. So what are the causes for this trend, and suggest some solution? This was the question. So in cities, the people find it difficult to do the exercise and all, or they are not getting enough time to do the physical exercise. So there are some after effects in their health. So what are the problems related to that? And you want to suggest some solutions. So here you can see the answer. So it is true that people in urban region are being prone to being couch potatoes and lazy sloths due to their lack of regular exercise. Okay, so this can be explained by some reasons and solutions can be taken to eliminate the problem. So along with this, you want to give one outline too. So you are going to discuss these problems and solutions in the upcoming paragraph. So that's all about the introduction. So it's better to start off with a general statement too. Then in the first body paragraph, you can list down the reasons or what are the causes. At least you want to list down two reasons with explanation and example. And in the second body paragraph, you can, if you have additional points, means you can give second body paragraph too with the reasons or the causes, or else you can start up with the solutions. Okay. So you want to give proper solutions too. Then what all are the reasons you given? For that only you want to give solutions. Don't go off track. So, two reasons are to blame for this trend. Firstly, the hectic schedule that many people are having pressurizes them into the vortex of work and study, depriving of their time for sufficient exercise. Children have to occupy themselves with school assignments and examinations, while employees have to attend frequent meetings with customers to secure contracts. These activities detach modern people from non work and non study activities, so they turn to prioritize physical activities less. Secondly, people in the cities would lack the facilities to practice sports or other healthy activities. There are few parks, and if there are any, there are only some horizontal bars or parallel bars, which are not adequate to accommodate the needs of every citizens. So you can add more examples too in this first body paragraph. So it's always needed to add proper examples. Okay, you want to stick on your topic, at least you want to give two reasons with proper explanation and also examples. Then moving on to the second body paragraph, here we are writing the solutions for this problem. Some measures should be taken to address these issues, and schools, companies, and the government should provide education and hold social campaigns to yield desirable outcomes. So that's the topic sentence. As for schools, they should be responsible for instilling the children a sense of health awareness and necessary background health related knowledge. For instance, children should be motivated to be proactive in keeping fit and stay healthy by the inclusion of more physical education classes. Beside, companies should give their staff more flexi time or sponsor gym membership for them. As the government, they can run some social campaigns to encourage the citizen to maintain health via TV programs or banners on the street. Beside, more funds should be allocated to the construction of sports facilities in their cities. Or else, here we given all the solutions together. Then what all things they want to do in individual level, and what all are the responsibilities of companies or organization, and what all are the responsibilities of government. Or else you can split the body paragraph into two. That means in individual level what all things we can do, and in government at the level what all things they can do. That means what all are the suggestions we can put forward. Like that you can divide the solutions into two body paragraph. That will be more better, I think, to score high. Okay, so then you can conclude your essay. In conclusion, people have a tendency to do sports or other physical activities less. However, efforts can be taken by both schools and government to deal with this situation. Okay, along with that, the individuals also want to take some effort to stay healthy. So that's all about your essay model. I think you're clear with the structure, how you want to divide the body paragraph and what all things you want to include in your essay. So I think this video will help you out to just remember all these things, what all things you already written in your exams and all. So I hope you all attended well. I know that the reading was little bit tricky, but we'll see. Okay, so let's pray, and I hope you all will get good results. So regarding the morning slot, I already updated the video. If you didn't watch, that means I will provide the link in the description box, you can check it out. And regarding the answers, you can just have a discussion section in the comment box, and if I get it means I will update that as soon as possible. Okay, so stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby. And we are providing online classes too. If you are interested means you can contact me via WhatsApp or mail ID. So that's all. Stay tuned, stay healthy, okay, and stay blessed.